Hey, let me show you how you can quickly and easily set up your Realme 14 Pro for the first time. So by starting from this one, we have to for sure select a language, but let's say that you already want to change some things like the screen size, so we can quickly go into accessibility, and here we can use magnification, or for example, turn on talkback to hear items on the screen. And now we can go forward. Then we have to select our region, so we can scroll up and down to actually select your and click next. Here we can find some legal information. We have to actually click next and accept everything. And now you can set up your data by using other device, but if you want to quickly set up your device, you can also send all data later. So don't worry, let's click skip. Now we can connect into the Wi-Fi network, and for sure, let's do this. So now you will have to just tap on the network, select the network, input your password by using keyboard and click save in the right upper corner. Then you will have to just wait for a few seconds until you will be connected. You can also connect by using QR code scanner if you don't have password, for example. Click next when you are connected. And now our phone is getting to be ready. So we have to just wait for some Google synchronization and our device. Okay, so also select do not copy right now. You will do this later. Now you will have to just log in into your Google account. And if you don't have Google account, you can create it by clicking here and selecting for which use. So for the personal use, select this one. And now just go for the first step to set up your Google account. So right now you will have to select who will be using this device. And right now you are able to set up your SIM card, but also you can download an eSIM. So you get two options, but for sure, let's input the SIM card. So the SIM tool you can find inside the box, and you will have to just input it like that into this part, then gently press. Now you can take it off by using your fingernails, and you will have to apply this one right here, or into the second one. You can find here a dual SIM slot. So now try to put it back like that. And when you do this, you have to input code for your SIM card. If you don't have one, then you can set it up later in settings. If you want to add a SIM, click here. But in my case, I'm gonna skip because I'm only using physical SIM card. Now you can set up an unlock method for your phone, password, fingerprint, or face. In my case, I'm not gonna use this, so I'm gonna set it maybe later. Right here, you can use location. You can allow scanning, but I can recommend you to unselect to send usage and diagnostic data, and click accept in the right bottom corner. Here you can back up all of your data from your Google account, but in my case I don't really want to back up anything. In this step you'll have to select your browser and search engine, so click next in the right bottom corner and select your favorite browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. I'm gonna set it as default, and the same for Google search engine. Right now we can continue setup, or we can do this later, but let's finish it right now. So as you can see right now, we can find a Gemini. This is the AI assistant from Google. So click continue. Right here we can turn on to use Gemini hands-free, but I'm not using this feature, so I'm gonna turn it off. Right here we can set up a Google Pay, so we can pay with this device. You can add your payment card right now, or you can do this also later in the settings. And here you can select no thanks, and after a few moments you will be fully set up. Right here we can find some connection for mobile network, so we can decide if you want to connect to mobile data right now or later, then click next. Here we can find some things like automatic updates, global search, wallpaper carousel. All of those things you can turn on and off later in settings, so it actually depends on your preferences if you want to use all of those features. I can recommend you to actually scroll up and down and read all of those things, and then you will just know what it does. So click agree. Right here you can set up your navigation between 3 buttons and the gestures. Then click done. And as you can see, we have to click get started, and right now it is finished.